Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have Lauv for you. And he was here pretty frequently a couple of years ago. Now it's a long time no see, but anyway, he's always welcome back. And I remember a couple of titles of his before. First Heartbreak, I believe, was one title we had on Growing Guitar. Love You Like That. I know I have at least 10 plus tutorials on him, so if you are a fan of Lauv, check out my playlist. I believe I have one as well, I'm not sure. Anyway, as I said, long time no see for him. Now it's about time, and we're gonna learn Combust. Okay, that's a 3-chord song, and we're gonna use a capo on second. Absolute best scenario for us. Let's do the chords first. We're gonna start with A major 7. That goes open A, second D, first G, second B, open E. Then you go over to the E chord. Okay, so it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. And then finally we have the B sus. And I actually go with the open version. I think that sounds better. It's also easier to grip and hold, but you can go with the bar version as well. In any case, you have to hit the 2nd fret A string, and you can just go with that single note, or you can place a bar from there on and down. And then you need to add 4th fret on D and 4th on G. As I said, I'm gonna go with the open, so I have just single notes there. 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, and that will be then open B and open E. Okay, so there you have the chord progression through the entire song. We're gonna look into the melody first, and I can just mention the chord switches later on when it comes to the full chords. Some technical stuff here from the A major 7 to E. You can just keep that index finger on the 1st fret G string, okay, and have that for the E as well. That makes it much easier to switch between these two chords. You have to release everything and just grab the E. Then instead you just keep that and you work around that index finger, right? Very easy, just to highlight that. Okay, now melody, as I said, you're gonna play A major 7 like this. Okay, so that is open A, 2nd D, 1st G. Repeat that again, so open A, 2nd D, 1st G, and then open A and 2nd D. So almost 3 full rounds, okay? So all together it sounds like this. Then you have the E part. Very simple, just 3 notes like that. It's the open E, 2nd A, 2nd D. And then you go into the B sus part, and it will be like this. And that is 2nd fret A string, 4th D, 4th G, again 2nd A, and 4th D. And that's it. So together it goes like this, a little bit slower. A couple of rounds in standard. And so on. All right, now let's go into the strumming, and we need to hold the full chords as they are now. And yes, for A major 7, we're gonna play like this. Okay, so this is a total of 8 downs, but notice I'm highlighting certain downs here. I'm shifting between bass playing and top playing. Okay, so I'm playing the top on 3rd, 6, and 8. All the other downs I'm playing on the bass. So bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 3, 6, and 8 I play on the higher strings. Other downs I play on the bass. So like this. To have some color to your strumming. You could start with just 8 downs if you want to, not think about where to play, but once you're comfortable with that, try this, okay? Bass top, okay? Anyway, that's A major 7. Next is the E chord, and it's about 3 downs, and it goes like this. And again, I separate the 2 first downs on the bass string, and the last down I play on the higher string. So bass, bass, top. And then I go to the B sus and play a total of 5 downs, and that will be like this. So that will be bass, bass, top, bass, top. And that's one round. So slowly like this. A couple rounds. Alright guys, Lauv, Combust, pretty simple, 3 chords, melody or strumming, it's your choice, or both, whatever. Good luck with this one guys, support me here on Growing Guitar, love to see your comments, I love to see this family grow as well, so do everything you can to be a part of it and interact with me. Thank you so much, and play tuned.